Hi folks, thanks for joining me again today. Now, I hope you had a chance to watch this one. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different. This is more of a sort of riverside scene. So again, using the small hake, just a little bit of water, not too much. And I'm going to a little bit of raw sienna. Clean the brush, then use a little bit of lemon yellow. I just caught the ultramarine then, which I didn't mean to. Just did it again, not to worry. So that's a sort of just basic background. What I'm going to do, get some stronger colour on there. And let's put the horizon line fairly high. And down the reflections as I go along. On this side, let's just clean the brush, get back to a lighter colour. Just into some lemon yellow. And then this put a bit of lemon yellow on some of this lot as well, just to break up those darks. And over there. Right, let's give that a quick dry. Actually, let's just get it flat first, pull it tight, get it flat on the board. And then quick dry. Right, now I'm going to take the little small sword liner brush now and take a bit of brown, bit of blue, it's just dark mix. A bit more water. And over on this left hand side, actually where should we do it? Let's start with the right. Sort of. I'm going to put those reflections in at the same time. Switch back to the little hake brush. Let's go in some lemon yellow. Touch of ultramarine as well, get a bit of variation up there. Well, now next up we've got a bigger one, an even bigger tree, so back into the same darks, bit of burnt umber, bit of ultramarine. And this time we're sort of coming from down here somewhere. Back to the eye brush, back into that lemon yellow. A bit of colour on that. Right, now we've got a little river bank coming up, so I'm thinking maybe a touch of just mixing all the darks together, basically. Light red, just going a few little stones and things into there, just keeping them nice and small. Just breaks up the darks. And moving over to the left hand side, bit of brown, bit of blue, sword liner brush, something like that. Let's go a little bit lighter. I want a bit of colour on that. And back into this one. And a little bit of red with it, give that sort of autumnal look. That'll do for now, I think. Right, let's switch now to the little zero, size 0 rigger. I'm going to take a little bit of gouache. Just take it straight out the tube. Just put in a few little water lines. So just a hint. So easy to overdo it. I almost did a little tree then, right? No, I'm going to just hard fire a bit, I think. Could we have a little yacht on this little scene? I think a little boat in the distance, maybe. Give that a quick dry. I think all that remains on this one now is I'm just going to sign this one, I think, and call this one complete. Just date it down there and call that one finished. So if you ever want to see the photographs of these, they're always over on my Patreon page. You'll be able to see them over there. They're all on eBay as well if you want to bid for any of them. So I hope you enjoy that. Thanks as always for watching. Keep practicing, and I'll see you again soon. I just realised before I go, I ain't took the tape off, have I? Let's remove the tape. And there's our little scene. So happy painting, and I'll see you for the third one.